How to cancel Spotify Premium. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can cancel Spotify Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have the Spotify Premium subscription and now you have been wondering that you would like to cancel the subscription because it's not really worth it, so how do you cancel it? Well, it's very simple. Now to cancel it, we're not going to use the app because the application doesn't have that option. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to open our browser and go to spotify.com instead, and make sure to log into the account where you want to cancel the membership. Now tap the gear icon from the top right of the screen over here. So let me just come back to this page. Just make sure to tap the gear icon over here, and as you tap on it, here you'll find the option called Premium. In case you don't see it, just go to View Account button. Once you go to View Account, over here you should be able to see Account Overview, and here you'll be able to see your plan. So in my case I don't have Premium, so I'm saying Join Premium, but if you have Premium you'll find Join the Free option or Cancel Premium. So you want to make sure to tap that button, confirm the changes, and your Spotify Premium will get successfully cancelled. This way you'll be able to cancel Spotify Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.